Hello, everyone. Welcome to March 2026. It is time for a tech tip roundup. In this video, I'm going to review the tech tips created for February 2026. With that being said, let's dive into these tech tips. For the week of February 2nd, 2026, the tech tip shared resources that could be used in celebration of Black History Month. The collection of items from NASA, the Library of Congress, and other organizations can be used all year long. These items explain how the Black community has created a variety of technological innovations which are still used today or are still having an impact on current events. For the week of February 9th, 2026, this tech tip explains how to use split tab view in Google Chrome, as well as how to turn on reading mode. Split tab view can be useful when having to work on multiple websites within the same window. Both tabs will be active and can be edited at the same time. Reading mode is a great option for when it is necessary to focus on the information within a website. For the week of February 16th, 2026, this tech tip focused on quick connections from IdeaCon 2026. IdeaCon is an annual conference run by the Illinois Digital Educators Alliance, which was celebrating its 40th anniversary during 2026. The tips here are a summation of initial thoughts that I wanted to share with others. I hope they inspire you as much as they inspired me. Finally, for the week of February 23rd, 2026, this tech tip focused on information for the Illinois Assessment of Readiness, also known as IAR. This test is the statewide test for students in public schools grades 3 through 8 within the state of Illinois. As of February 2026, IAR was in year 2 of a new testing platform. As such, this flyer covered key reminders for proctors to facilitate the testing process. Other states have their own standardized assessments, so please be sure to review any reference documents that are applicable to your organization. That's all for February 2026's recap, and more will be shared next month. Remember, everyone, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.